Once in London, there was a boy named George. He was a nice and kind boy. He was 11 years old. He belonged to a rich family. His father was James and his mother was Petunia. He also had a 4-year-old brother named Peter. They lived in a large house as they were rich. George will get everything he needs. George also had a dream. He wanted to be a real superhero. Many days have passed. George's birthday was coming near. It was on 10th of April. Peter was very excited. Don't let birds. Peter was very excited and he started to make a card he had learned in his school for George. On the day before his birthday, George was excited when it was nightfall and then slept. When morning, George woke up and found out that he had superpowers and that he was a superhero now. He saved the world, stopped robberies, fought villains, and did good things for Earth. People had started to praise him and now called him the hero of the earth. One day, when he had just fought and defeated the most powerful villain of all time, a voice said, George, wake up. George, it's your birthday today. Wake up. Then George woke up and found himself on the bed. He then realized that this was all a dream. His family wished him happy birthday, and Peter gave the card to George. His parents had organized a big party and everyone enjoyed it very much. After that day onwards, George lived happily ever after. Please subscribe and share for new updates.